The TSA isn't just watching your bag. They are watching your eyes. While you worry about your liquids, they are analyzing your micro-expressions. There are secret codes printed on your boarding pass that signal high threat. And there is an uncomfortable truth about those plastic bins you put your wallet in. In 2026, airport security is half science and half theater. Here are the 10 secrets the TSA hopes you never figure out. Number 1. TSA agents are not police, the authority bluff. First, we need to clear up a massive misconception that agents rely on to get compliance. TSA agents are screeners, not law enforcement officers. They wear uniforms that look like police. They have badges that look like police. They bark orders like police. But legally, they have limited power. They can run your bags through scanners. They can deny you entry to the secure area. They can ask you to step aside. But they cannot arrest you. They cannot charge you with a crime. They cannot detain you indefinitely without cause. That is the job of the airport police or federal law enforcement. Why does this matter? Because agents often go on power trips. They might aggressively question you about where you are going, why you have so much cash, or what you do for a living. The secret: you do not have to answer personal questions that are unrelated to security. If an agent steps over the line, you have the right to ask for a supervisor or a real police officer. You can request a private screening if you feel uncomfortable. Always be polite, don't be a jerk, but remember, they are gatekeepers, not cops. Number 2. The inconsistency feature. Have you ever noticed that at JFK Airport, you have to take your shoes off, but at Miami, they tell you to keep them on? Or that one agent confiscates your peanut butter, while another lets it through? You aren't crazy. The inconsistency is real, and it is partly by design. The TSA calls this unpredictability. The theory is that if the rules are constantly shifting, it makes it harder for bad actors to plan an attack. However, the reality in 2026 is often just a lack of standardized training. Each airport acts like its own fiefdom with its own local interpretations of the rules. During high-threat periods, random airports will suddenly tighten everything without warning. The secret: expect the rules to change. Just because it worked last time doesn't mean it will work today. The smart traveler checks the TSA app and the specific airport's Twitter feed before flying. If you expect chaos, you won't be stressed when it happens. Number 3. The SPOT program, they watch you in line. The security check doesn't start at the metal detector. It starts the moment you get in line. The TSA has a program called Screening of Passengers by Observation Techniques, SPOT. They deploy behavior detection officers who stand back and watch the crowd. They are trained to look for involuntary physical and physiological reactions that indicate stress or fear. We are talking about excessive blinking, avoiding eye contact, fidgeting, whistling, or an Adam's apple moving up and down. The problem? These are also the symptoms of a normal person who is afraid of flying, or someone who is late for their flight, or someone who just had a fight with their spouse. The secret: if you look nervous, you will be flagged. Try to look bored. Put your phone away, stand still, and look calm. If you are frantically repacking your bag in line or looking around anxiously, you are painting a target on your back for a random search. Number 4. The SSSS curse. Look at your boarding pass right now. Do you see 4 bold letters printed in the corner or near the barcode, SSSS? That stands for Secondary Security Screening Selection. If you have this code, you cannot use the kiosk to get your boarding pass, you have to go to the counter. And when you get to the checkpoint, the machine will beep loudly. You will be pulled aside for the full works, every pouch of your bag opened, every inch of your electronics swabbed for explosives, and a full body pat down. How do you get on this list? It can be random. But it is often triggered by suspicious travel patterns, like buying a one-way ticket with cash, traveling to high-risk countries, or booking at the very last minute. The secret. If you see the code, do not panic. It doesn't mean you are banned. But it does mean security will take 30 minutes longer. If you get the SSSS on every single flight, you are on a watch list. You will need to apply for a redress number from the Department of Homeland Security to clear your name. Number 5. The naked truth of body scanners. We need to talk about the tube. The millimeter wave scanners that you stand in with your hands up. The TSA sells these as privacy-safe, generic avatars. And in 2026, the software has improved. Agents generally see a generic cartoon figure with a yellow box highlighting the threat area, not a naked picture of you. But the raw data does exist somewhere. And historically, these machines have raised massive privacy concerns regarding data storage. Furthermore, many people have health concerns or simply find the posture humiliating. The secret. You have a choice. You can opt out. You have the legal right to say, I would like a pat-down instead. Now, be warned, they will make the pat-down aggressive to discourage you from opting out. But if you value your privacy over your time, you never have to step inside that machine. Number 6. The blue bin theft ring. Most TSA agents are honest, hardworking people. But every year, hundreds of agents are fired for theft. The checkpoint is a thief's paradise. You are separated from your valuables. You are distracted by the body scanner. You are rushing to put your shoes back on. There is a specific scam where thieves working in teams, sometimes passengers, sometimes insiders, create a bottleneck. One person gets stuck in the scanner, causing a delay. Meanwhile, your bin with your Rolex, your wallet, and your passport is sitting unattended on the conveyor belt on the other side. By the time you get through, the bin is empty. The secret. Defensive packing. Never, ever put your wallet, keys, watch, or cash loose in a bin. Put them inside a zippered pocket of your backpack before you get to the conveyor belt. The only thing in the bin should be the bag itself. If they can't see the cash, they can't steal the cash. Number 7. The TSA lock myth. You bought a lock for your checked bag that says TSA approved. You think your bag is secure. It isn't. TSA approved means that the TSA has a master key to open it. But here is the problem: photos of those master keys leaked onto the internet years ago. Anyone with a 3D printer can print a set of TSA master keys in about an hour. Criminal rings operating in baggage handling areas have these keys. They can open your bag, steal your laptop, lock it back up, and put it on the plane. You won't know you were robbed until you get to your hotel. The secret. A TSA lock keeps the zipper closed, it does not keep criminals out. Do not put anything of value in a checked bag. If you must check a firearm or expensive equipment, use a non-TSA lock, if legal for your specific declaration category, or use tamper-evident seal so you can prove to the airline immediately that the bag was opened. Number 8. The lost and found black hole. The security line is the number one place people lose things. But not because they are stolen, because they are forgotten. When you are rushed, you leave things behind. Laptops left in bins. IDs left at the podium. Phones sliding under the tray. Here is the sad truth: the TSA, lost and found, is a bureaucratic black hole. Getting an item back involves filling out forms, leaving voicemails that are never returned, and proving ownership. After 30 days, unclaimed items are sold at government auctions. The secret. Use the mental checklist technique. As you put things on the belt, say them out loud: bag, coat, computer, shoes. Do not move your feet from the end of the belt until you have physically touched all 4 items. Do not let the agent rush you. Number 9. The complaint void. If you have a terrible experience, an agent was rude, aggressive, or damaged your property, you might think, I'm going to report this. The TSA knows that the complaint process is designed to wear you out. It is full of forms, requires specific badge numbers, which you probably didn't get, and often results in a generic, "we will investigate" email. Accountability for day-to-day rudeness is very low. The secret. If you want a result, you need to act in the moment. Ask for a supervisory TSO, STSO, immediately. They wear a uniform with 3 stripes. They are the only ones with the power to fix a situation in real time. Once you leave the airport, your leverage drops to 0. Number 10. Security theater, the 95% failure rate. Here is the most uncomfortable secret of all, and the one they really don't want you to think about. A lot of what you experience is security theater. It is designed to make you feel safe, not necessarily to be safe. How do we know? Because the Department of Homeland Security conducts undercover tests called Red Team operations. They send undercover agents to try to smuggle mock weapons and explosives through checkpoints. In leaked reports from previous years, the failure rate for TSA agents was staggering, sometimes as high as 80% or 95%. The agents missed the weapons. The fancy scanners, the shoe removal, the liquid bans, many experts argue these are reactive measures fighting the last war, not the next one. The secret. Don't be paranoid, but don't be complacent. The system isn't perfect. Your safety is ultimately your own responsibility. Stay alert, watch your bags, and report anything that looks truly wrong. The human element. Now, before we wrap up, a reality check. TSA agents are people. They are underpaid, overworked, and they deal with thousands of grumpy, entitled travelers every single day. Yes, the system is broken. Yes, the rules are annoying. But if you treat them like enemies, they will treat you like a suspect. If you treat them like humans, smile, say good morning, have your ID ready, you will find that 99% of the time, they will wave you through. The secret to a fast screening is often just being the nicest person they have seen in the last hour. So now you know the truth. You know that TSA agents aren't cops. You know the SSSS code could ruin your day. You know that body scanners are optional, and that your secure, checked bag is actually wide open to anyone with a 3D printer. You are now smarter than the system. But knowing the secrets is only half the battle. You also need to know exactly how to pack your bag so you can glide through that scanner in 30 seconds flat without ever getting flagged. I have a video that reveals the military packing method for airport security. It is the ultimate guide to speed and safety. Click that video on your screen right now, and I'll see you there. Safe travels, and stay smart.